Today I'm going to show you how to use the calendar view, which is a relatively new update in Trello. The calendar view is very nice in Trello. Basically what it does is it allows you to take all of these cards within the board that you have in all of these lists, and it does also allow you to see them in more of a calendar timeline type of view. So I'm going to go into this card over here. I'm going to just set a due date over here. So let's say save, and we can go ahead. This one also has a due date, and let us open this one. We are going to set a due date on here as well. Click on dates, just set this due date, and let's make this 12 o'clock. Let's go and say save, close this. Now on the bottom here, you'll see inbox, planner, and board. Go ahead, click on planner. On the left hand side, you will see this is your planner. Okay, now this calendar will allow you to see a certain date. Okay, so let's say the 24th. You will see here, you will find all of the cards that are here in here. You can also change your days quickly over here, or you can click on the three dots, click on select calendar range, and here we can say week, or we can say custom. So let's say we want to say 6 days, whatever the case may be, and then you can show weekends or not. All right, and then you'll be able to view everything that's going on here. Whatever you see here, you can go ahead and you can also click down and you can create cards, and these cards will then show up here on this main board. Now if you click on boards, it'll remove this view. You'll be able to see this in a full screen, and if you want to get that back, just go ahead, click on board, and you'll be able to see that again.